kitchens. Today let us make an Arabic dish, chicken kabsa. Really very tasty and very flavorful dish. Nowadays all are very fond of eating and making Arabic dishes. So I too thought of making Arabic dish. This is called chicken kabsa. For any occasion we can make this. For this we need long grain basmati rice. Wash thoroughly and soak in water for 20 to 30 minutes. Before starting, we have to make tomato puree. For this I have taken small size tomatoes, 5 numbers. Just need not remove the seeds or skin. Just add it to the mixer grinder and make a puree. Do not add any water. Make a thick puree and keep it ready. Now let us start. In a hot pan, add quarter cup of oil. You can even mix the oil with ghee. That's up to you. I have added here oil. Now let us add the whole garam masala. I have added 2 to 3 cardamoms, 4 cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 1 teaspoon of peppercorns and little of cumin seeds. Now add the chopped onions. I have taken 3 medium size onions, roughly chopped. Just mix well. The onions need not change its color. Just saute. When it becomes tender, let us add the ginger garlic paste. I have added here 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now saute well. Here I have taken here 1.5 kilos of chicken cut into a big size pieces. Wash thoroughly and now add it to the onion. Now slowly and gently we have to handle the chicken. Now let us start adding the spices. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Just add to this and just slowly mix everything together. Now it's time to add the tomato puree. If you have the tomato paste, you can add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste instead of this puree. Now add the salt. As per your taste, you can add. Now add water. For 3 cups of rice, I have taken 4.5 cup of water. Now add the dried lemon. This is very important in making the Arabic dishes. And also add 1 cube of the chicken stock. Chicken stock and this dried lemon, everything is readily available in the supermarket. Now close the lid and let the chicken cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now in between Just turn the chicken pieces to the other side. Now again close it and let it cook. Now it's been about 15 minutes. Now the chicken is cooked. Let us take out the chicken pieces. Slowly and carefully take out all the chicken pieces. Now keep it aside. Now let us add the rice, soaked rice. Drain all the water and add the rice. Now add half a cup of carrot. This I have sliced in lengthwise, and also add the fried raisins. Here 2 tablespoons of fried raisins I am adding here. Let it cook, cover the lid and keep it aside. Now meanwhile let us make the spice masala for the chicken. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of pepper powder and salt. Now add little water and mix everything together. And now apply the masalas to the chicken. Now meanwhile, do not forget to check the rice. Now this is almost done. Little water is there. Now we have to add the ghee. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee to the rice. And mix well and keep the flame in very low heat and just cover it. The rice is now almost done. Just let it be on the flame for 2 more minutes. Now meanwhile let us start frying the chicken. In a hot pan add oil and just start frying this. We are going to shallow fry the chicken now. This is already cooked chicken. Now again here the rice is done. Very nice flavor is coming. When one side is done, just turn it over to the other side and keep it for 2 more minutes. When both the sides become golden brown in color, just take it out. Take all the chicken pieces. It will not take any long time. Now let us arrange in a tray the rice and the chicken pieces. This is it. Yummy chicken kabsa is ready. This is a perfect Arabic dish. Please do all try and give the feedback. Please do not forget to click the like button. Thanks for watching.